In this video, we will discuss about the differential coefficients or derivative of trigonometric functions. As you remember, there are 6 trigonometric ratios: sin x, cosine x, tan x, cot x, sec x, and cosec x. And we need to remember the derivative of these functions. If y is equal to sin x, what is the derivative of sin x? It is cosine x. If function is cosine x, what is the derivative of cosine x? It is minus sin x. Third one is y is equal to tan x. What is the derivative of tan x? Sec square x. Sec x power 2. Sec x power 2. Sec whole square. Clear? Cot x. The value of cot x is minus cosec square x. Cosec power 2x. Sec x is equal to sec x tan x. And the last one is cosec x. The derivative of cosec x is minus cosec x cot x. Like if you remember, in the previous videos, I told you the derivative of a constant is 0 and the derivative of x power n is nx power n minus 1. This is relation number 1. This is relation number 2. And now this is the another set of relations. These are the 6 relations that you need to remember. These are the 6 trigonometric functions and you need to learn the derivative of these 6 trigonometric functions. Clear? Now we will solve questions based on the power function that we studied in the last lecture as well as the trigonometric function. In this one, we are considering example number 1 is y equals to 5x power 3 plus 7 sin x. What is the differential of this one? First derivative. So it is y dash is equal to, how we will write, d by dx, the first function, plus d by dx, the second function, is equal to 5 is constant, it is outside. Now we will differentiate x power 3. And what is x power 3? It is 3x 3 minus 1. 3x power 3 minus 1 plus 7 d by dx of sin x. 7 is a constant outside. Sin x, the differential of sin x is cosine x. And if you simplify it, 5 times 3 is 15 x power 2 plus 7 cosine x. So this is how we solve the questions. Okay, let us take the another question. Y is equal to sin x minus cosine x. What is the first derivative of this one? So it is equal to y dash is equal to d by dx sin x minus d by dx cosine x. So what is the differential of sin x? The differential of sin x is cosine x minus. And what is the differential of cosine x? It is minus sin x. So the answer is cosine x minus minus plus. It is sin x. So the questions are very, very simple. Questions are not difficult. Only the difficulty is how to learn the given derivatives. Now, if we take question number 3, it is y is equal to tan x plus sec x. So this is very simple. What is the value of y dash? The value of y dash is d by dx tan x d by dx sec x. And what is the derivative of 10x? The derivative of 10x is sec power 2x. And what is the derivative of sec x? It is sec x 10x. So these you need to learn. What is the derivative of all 6 trigonometric ratios? The moment you will able to learn, then these questions are nothing. These are very simple questions. Okay. Let us take another type of question. It is y is equal to 2 sin x cosine x. Now you can see it is a product of two functions, sin x and cosine x. So how will you calculate the y dash? It is d by dx twice of sin x and cosine x. Now we will take one is fx and another is gx. One you need to take fx, another gx. So how we calculate the derivative of multiplication? We solve many questions in the previous lecture. So it is 2 sin x, same to same, and the derivative of second function plus second function same to same and the derivative of first function twice of sin x. Now simplify this, twice of sin x into derivative of cosine x, it is minus sin x plus cosine x and the derivative of 2 is a constant outside. So what is the derivative of sin x? It is cosine x. Okay, let us solve it here. So it is minus 2 sin x into sin x, 2 sin square x, and this is plus 2 cos square x. 2 you can take outside, it will become cos square x minus sin square x. So if you will leave it here, you will get full marks. Clear? But there is a formula for it one. This one you studied in trigonometry in pure and applied mathematics. It is equal to cosine of 2x. So the answer is 2 cos 2x. This is the actual answer. Clear? But you can leave it here, no problem. Even you will get, if you leaving the question here, you will get 2 marks, you will get 2 marks, you will get 2 marks. So if it is a 2 marks problem, you can leave any of the last 3 steps. Clear? You will get full marks. Question number 5. So question number 5 is y equals to 5 cot x into cosec x. So y dash is equal to d by dx. It is 5 cot x into cosec x. Take this as first function, this as second function, and use the product rule. It is 5 cot x d by dx cosec x plus cosec x d by dx of 5 cot x. This is equal to 5 cot x. And what is the derivative of cosec x? The derivative of cosec x is minus cosec x cot x plus cosec x. Clear? What is the derivative of cot x? It is, first you need to write 5 cot x derivative is cosec square x with negative minus cosec square x. So simplify this 5. Oh, there will be negative outside because minus is there. So write minus 5 cot x. It is cot square x and cosec x. And here again 5 minus 5. It is cosec and cosec power 2. So it is cosec cube x. This is the answer. We cannot solve it because one is the cosec and cot square, another is cosec power 3. So no need to solve further. So leave it here. Now let us take question number 6. This is the last question for product rule. Then we will solve some questions related to division also for trigonometric functions. Y is equal to x square sec x. So what is the value of y dash? Y dash is d by dx x square sec x. This is first function, this is second function. So x square d by dx sec x plus sec x d by dx x power 2. So x power 2 d by dx sec x. What is the differential of sec x? It is sec x tan x and plus sec x into what is the derivative of x power 2? 2x power 2 minus 1. So the answer is x square sec x tan x and here is plus 2x 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So the differential is 2x. This value is 2x only. 2x sec x. This is okay. Now let us solve some questions related to the division method. Example number 7, and I will take some of the questions from your course material exercise. It is y is equal to, it is 5 sin x plus square root x. This is the question. So this is very simple problem. Y dash is equal to d by dx first function 5 sin x and d by dx square root x. So d by dx 5 sin x, it is 5 d by dx sin x, the differential of sin x, derivative of sin x, cosine x, and plus this can be written as x power 1 upon 2. So this will be written as 1 upon 2 x power 1 upon 2 minus 1. So this equals to 5 cosine x plus 1 upon 2 x power. If you will subtract 1 upon 2 minus 1, it will be minus 1 upon 2. Or if you want to, you will get full marks even in this step, but you can solve it further. 1 upon 2 is square root x. Because this can be written as square root x because negative is there, so we take it to denominator and we will write it upon root x. Okay, now we'll solve 3 questions related to division method. So question number 8, it is y equals to 3 sin x upon 2x. This is. So how will you do it? Y dash equals to d by dx 3 sin x upon 2x. So what was the division rule? 2x, same to same, and the derivative of up function 3 sin x minus now up function 3 sin x and the derivative of the down function 2x and the down function is square. This is the rule. So it is 2x, the derivative of 3 sin x, 3 is constant, the derivative of sin x, the derivative of sin x is cosine x, minus 3 sin x, same to same, and the derivative of 2x, 2, and the derivative of x is 1 because 2 is out. Okay, and if you will square here, 2 square is 4, x square is x power 2. This is. Now simplify it. 3 times 2, 6 into x cosine x minus 3 times 2, 6 sin x upon 4x power 2. That's all. We cannot solve it further. Leave it here. Clear? And if you want to simplify it little more, what you can do is you can take 6 common. So it will be x cos x minus sin x upon 4x power 2. This is the answer. You can leave it here. Okay. So whether it is trigonometric function or x power n type function, the formula will remain same. You need to practice division means product rule and division rule, because major question in final exam or homework assignment are coming from these two methods, product and division. Okay, let us take question number 9. It is y equals to 2 10x minus 3x upon 3x plus 4. This is, so y dash equals to d by dx. It is 2 10x minus 3x upon 3x plus 4. Now what it is? The down function. Same to same, 3x plus 4. The derivative of up function, d by dx, 2 10x minus 3x minus up function, same to same, 2 10x minus 3x, and the derivative of 3x plus 4. And upon down function whole power 2. It equals to the 3x plus 4, same to same. And what is the derivative of this one? Clear? You can calculate here, d by dx, what? 2 10x minus 3x. So first derivative will be 2 10x. 2, same to same. The derivative of 10x. 10x is sec square x. The derivative is sec square x minus 3 is constant, so it is out. What is the derivative of x? It is 1. So the answer is 2 sec square x minus 3 into 1 is 3 minus 2 10x minus 3x. And the derivative of 3x plus 4. So derivative of 3x plus 4. 3, derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of 4. It is 0. 3 into 1 is 3 upon 3x plus 4 whole square. No need to solve it further. What you have done, you use the formula for division and then you write the derivative of this function as well as derivative of this function. It is very difficult to solve it further. You can leave it here. Okay, you will get full marks. Now the last question for the trigonometric function, and this question I will take from your course material, and this question is example number 10. Y equals to 3 sin x upon cos x plus 1. Okay, so y dash equals to d by dx 3 sin x upon cos x plus 1. Now it is division function, so cos x plus 1 the down function, and the derivative of up function 3 sin x minus up function 3 sin x and derivative of down function cos x plus 1 upon the square of down function cos x plus 1. So cos x plus 1 whole square, sorry, is equal to cos x plus 1. Now the derivative of 3 sin x, 3, and the derivative of sin x. Sin x derivative is cosine x, 3 cosine x minus 3 sin x here. And the derivative of this one. What is the derivative of cosine x? It is minus sin x. And the derivative of 1 is 0, plus 0 upon cos x plus 1 power 2. If you want to simplify it further, you can solve it. It is 3x, sorry, cos x plus 1 power 2. Now you multiply this here and multiply this here. So 3 cos into cos, it is cos power 2x plus 1 into 3 cos x, so it is 3 cosine x minus 3 minus minus plus 3 sine into sine is 3 sine square x. It is sine x into sine x, so it is 3 sine square x. So you can leave it here, no problem. If you want to solve it further, little further, we can solve it. But if you leave it here, you will get full marks. Okay, so dear friends, in this lecture, we study the questions based on these 6 trigonometric relations, these 6 derivative functions of trigonometric ratios. The derivative of sin x, cosine x, cos x, minus sin x, tan x, sec power 2x, cot x, minus cosec power 2x, sec x tan x, cosec x is minus cosec x cot x. Please learn these 6 trigonometric functions derivative and then you can solve questions. Okay, so thank you very much. Practice more and more questions.